Sentence structure and pronunciation for the beginners. Number one, flower is on a ball the red. There are 7 words, and then we need to find the subject and verb. Only nouns can be the subject, floor can be the subject, ball can be the subject. We don't know which one is the subject. So let's choose verb first. Subject, verb, is, and the rest of the sentence. And now you have on, and then floor, the. So we can make a phrase on the floor. Something is on the floor. So the ball is going to be the subject. But we still have an indefinite article and then the adjective. So it's going to be a red ball. Red ball is on the floor, but a red ball is on the floor. So this becomes the perfect sentence. A red ball is on the floor. A red ball. A red ball. Like when you read this, you don't have to say red ball. Say red, red. Give an accent. Red ball. Red ball. Instead of saying red ball, say red ball. Red ball is on. Is on. Red ball is on. A red ball is on the floor. So this one you can read as a, or you can read as a. A red ball is on the floor, or a red ball is on the floor. Is on the floor. A red ball is on the floor. The baby the ball looks at. There are 6 words, and then we have the verb here, look, looks. And then when you use look, you always need to use with at. Looks at something. Something looks at something. And then ball can be the subject, baby can be the subject, but ball cannot look at something, correct? So baby looks at something, the ball. And then it's going to be the ball. And then we have definite article here. The baby looks at the ball. The baby looks at the ball. Looks at. So when you read this part, in order to pronounce this S sound, you need to say look. Looks. Looks at. Looks at. Looks at. The baby looks at the ball. The baby looks at the ball. Over the 2 ball walks cat. So there are 7 words again. And then we know that walks is the verb. So let's put walks first. And then this is third person singular s. And then we have the ball and the cat. Ball cannot walk. So cat walks. Cat walks. And then when you show on a direction, you need to use walk over. Walks over. And then cat, the cat. The cat walks over to the ball. The cat walks over to the ball. The cat walks over to the ball. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. The cat walks over. So again, you need to pronounce this. So say walk. Don't say walk because W-A-L-K, L is silent. Say walk. So walks, walks. The cat walks and walks over, walks over, walks over to the ball. The cat walks over to the ball. The cat walks over to the ball. Ball on the floor rolls. Now, again, rolls is the verb, R-O-L-L-S. And then what floor cannot roll, right? So we can make on the floor. The only thing can be the subject is ball. Ball, and then the ball. So when you start English sentence, you need to use capital letter. The ball rolls on the floor. Rolls. The ball is third person singular. We need an S. The ball rolls on. Rolls, rolls, and then on. Rolls on. The ball rolls on the floor. The ball rolls on the floor. The last one for today is this. Each cat hits the with paw ball the. So there are three nouns, but the verb is hit. H-I-T-S. Paw cannot hit, ball cannot hit. So cat is the subject. Cat. And then we need the cat. The cat hits what? The cat hits ball. But it's going to be the ball. And then with paw. With its paw. The cat hits the ball with its paw. The cat hits the ball with its paw. Now, subject, the cat hits, hits. So in order to pronounce this, say he hits, hits the ball with its paw, paw. So this one don't say paw. So AW becomes a long A sound. Say paw, paw. The cat hits the ball with its paw. One more time. The cat hits the ball with its paw. The cat hits the ball with its paw.